Let the next discussant come and discuss for
God
us.
have mercy upon us.
My name is Counsel Trevor, and I'm going to be
You go there.
Issue one states that whether Temo can be recognized as a state. The laws we used were the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, the Montevideo Convention on Rights and Duties.
You man, you are boring us. Please don't read for us the laws applicable here. The whole class knows the laws applicable, and don't read for us. Go direct to the issue. If you have come to discuss, you go direct to the issue.
Whether Temo can be recognized as a state. The Arbitration Commission of European Convention.
You man, stop there. I want you to discuss for us what you understood
God
as a
have mercy
group.
upon us.
Don't read for us. Don't read for us. Tell us what you understood. Just fidgeting from in front.
Okay. A state.
You man, I've come to realize that you people never met up as a group. You never met up as a group. That's what I've come to realize.
We met up as a group very well.
There is no way you are telling me you met up as a group and you are presenting such rubbish work. There is no way. Completely no way. You never met up as a group. You never met up as a group. Because you can't give me such rubbish presentation.